Hi, I'm Ben.
And I'm Colden.
Welcome to FTC Crash Course Design.
Today we're going to be talking about the importance of thorough design. We have multiple different points that we're going to be talking about throughout this video.
One of them is our series overview.
Who is this for? And the next one is, why is it important to have a thorough design?
We also are going to be talking about introduction to basic design principles and design utilities.
Some of these design utilities are like Inventor, SketchUp, Fusion 360, etc.
So the homework for next time, we want you guys to find a CAD software that you would like to learn. So for our series overview, we wanted to create this series to help guide first teams to a successful season and help them better understand the design fundamentals.
Why it's important to have a thorough design. A thorough, well-thought-out design helps prevent mistakes later on in the process. This allows you to save time and money later in the season. A thorough design allows you also to better communicate throughout your team members, and it allows everyone to stay on the same page during your season, and this prevents mistakes or not knowing exactly what you are trying to convey.
Our introduction to basic design principles, we're going to be going over some drawings and sketches, planning and defining concepts. We're also going to get into 3D design and fabrication. So a few tips, or ideas, for sketches and drawings. If you have an idea, you probably want to sketch it right away so that you have a record and kind of the basis for an idea that you might develop later in the season or during the season. And part of the sketch allows your idea to smoothly go into the planning process, and it allows you to define the concepts better and easier. And once you define those concepts or finish your planning process and have your sketches done, it'll bring you into the 3D design and the fabrication part of component.
The next thing that we're going to be talking about is design utilities. We have two different types of design utilities. We have our design software, which is like Inventor, SketchUp, Fusion 360, and then we also have our slicer software. This is like Cura and MakerBot. These both have different points of the design process. First, you have to design your product. For this series, we're probably going to be using Inventor 360 mostly, and then we're also going to be using MakerBot software for us, but we're also going to be teaching you how to use the Cura software. The MakerBot and Cura software, they are both after you've designed your part. This allows you to actually fully 3D print your design, or if you have a CNC, you can also CNC your part using this software.
So for our homework for next time, we want you guys to find a CAD software that you want to learn. So that could be Inventor, that could be Fusion 360, Autodesk, SolidWorks, and also we want you guys to find or determine if you guys want to use Cura or MakerBot. That way we can direct more of our videos towards those specific softwares, but we will be going over them anyways. So if you have a preference of which one you want to do first, that would be nice so that we can have our video for next time.
We're going to be prioritizing the MakerBot software because that's all the printers that we have here, but we're also going to be teaching the Cura software because we also sometimes use those printers for more large-scale projects. That's all for today.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe.